Want to know how to add up or set up two-step verification in Remitly? Well, no worries. In this video, I'm going to show you an easy step-by-step guide on how you can do it. It's super simple and in a minute, so let's get straight to it. Now, first things first, simply open up your Remitly website. So once you have opened up your website here, you should be seeing your interface right here. So make sure you are logged in as well. So once you have done that, on the top right side, you should be seeing welcome. So once you have started welcome, here you should be seeing settings and just simply select it. Now, once you have selected settings, you should be under profile information. So adding two-step verification is not direct, but you can just simply scroll down and right here you should be seeing phone number right here. So here you should be seeing phone number. So if you see your phone number, just simply select add your phone number right here and add it. So once you have added your phone number, you should be given a verification code. You can just simply add that verification code, and once that is done, your two-step verification will also be set up automatically. And that's it. I hope this video helped. If it did, make sure to like, subscribe and tune in with us for more of these videos. See you in the next one.